Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RHE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video right there. So go to that link and I will explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. Overall, though, a pretty rough day. I'm not going to say it was a train wreck of a day. I'm not going to say it was a total pump and dump, but things are looking pretty rough. And, when I say that, I mean, you got to stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was there and there and there. And I mean, really, even if, somebody bought there on that little bounce back upwards, compared to where the price was to where it ultimately closed, very rough day. Again, am I going to call this a total train wreck and pump and dump? In my opinion, you can't quite go that far, and I'll explain what I mean by that here in a second. But yeah, overall, an entirely, looking at today individually, just it was rough. But the level that in my mind really is important going forward is down here at the $1.55 mark. Why is $1.55 very, very important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to come down to $1.55 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they started, not exactly a sign of true strength. And in my opinion, that would make this a pump and dump. I mean, at that point, you would literally have a situation where a price made a great move to the upside, and then all of a sudden, it's right back to where it started. If that's not a pump and dump, I don't know what is. But the reason I'm not calling it a pump and dump right now is because, to be fair, something like this could happen. The price could come down, behave like this, and then start to work its way back upwards. And then all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, at least now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So there is still an opportunity for the price to make progress, but you definitely don't want to see the price go back to where it was. So pretty much $1.55 is acting as a dictionary and helping us define terms, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was? That is associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That is associated with bullishness. So keep a close eye on that $1.55 mark, and let's see if the price can stay above it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.